So pretty much we're back into another vlog. This is the vlog number 3 for the BMW Z4. So pretty much today we're doing a major upgrade on the car. Now this upgrade is highly recommended if you want some serious stopping power. So the process is going to be very simple. The swap is going to be a bolt-on swap. Everything is going to be plug and play, direct fit on. We got some brand new John brake caliper. Now these are remans from BMW, and also this caliper is a bigger upgrade from the stock Z4 caliper. This caliper, they're actually from the BMW E46 330 Ci. The radius from this caliper is a lot bigger than the stock Z4 caliper. So on this side we got some power stop brake rotors. These are also upgraded size. The diameter of this rotor, they're 325 millimeter compared to the stock size from the Z4 is 295 millimeters. And for last, we got some Hawks brake pads. They never gave me a problem on my race car, so this will definitely be an upgrade. And also for last, we got some Castro DOT4 brake fluid. So we're gonna start by removing the wheel with a 17mm impact socket. Alright, so once you have your wheels out, we can start by taking out the caliper. Now the caliper is pretty simple. It's held on by two 16mm bolts, one on top, one on the bottom. So once you unbolt the two 16mm bolt, the caliper should release very easily. And then for last, to release the rotor, you need a hex socket number 6, and it should be able to come out. Just grab a hammer, give it a light tap, it should pop out. Alright, so pretty much once you have everything out, you can start reversing the whole process, putting all the new parts back up. So we're gonna start by adding the brand new rotor. Don't forget to put this bolt back in. Should be good. And then it's time to add the new caliper with the new brake pads on. So pretty much here is our brand new setup. This is a upgraded rotor from a BMW E46 330 Ci and an upgraded caliper as well from the BMW E46 330 Ci. So pretty much the last step of the brake upgrade is transferring the brake lines, and also don't forget to bleed the brakes.